This video is specially preparing for those who are still procrastinating in investing or too fear to put money in the stock market. Hello everyone, have you started investing? Are you still waiting? I have a few friends who have been asking me when is the best time to enter market since 2 to 3 years ago. Using Apple as an example, when the Apple was at $130 here, they told me the stock is too expensive to buy. I shall wait. Well, retracement happened. I told them, let's get in the market and buy one share. They said, let's wait, now it's correction. I think it will go down more. Let's wait. Day after, Apple keep hitting higher and higher. Along the way, I have accumulated 50 to 60 Apple shares. But how many Apple shares do you think my friend has bought? Most likely you guess it right, 0. In this video, I will be sharing the key 3 reasons why we need to invest right now. First, bear market. You might be surprising that the first reason that I would like to mention is we have a bear market this year. From My Money blog by Jonathan Ping, SPY down around minus 38.3% per bear market. Interestingly, you may also notice that most of the time, the period between two bear markets are around 5 to 8 years. Next, let us see the bull market chart. After the stock market increased 20% from the session low, we could see that the average gain per bull market since year 1932 is 170 and 7.8%. What is more exciting? Each bull period lasts for around 7 years. In a bull market, everyone can be a stock market guru, as it is so easy to make money in the bull market. If you do not invest in the bear market or early recovery phase, you are going to miss the next bull run that would last for 7 to 8 years. How many more 7 to 8 years can you wait? Second, stock selection is so easy. Well, you may be borrowing or buying the wrong stock and end up losing money. Not sure what to buy? Just buy ETF. SPY and QQQ will never be wrong. See the SPY chart. See the QQQ chart. Remember my words, ETFs such as SPY and QQQ are volatile in short term, but in long term, it will be just going up. In addition, never overtrade and affected by the market volatility. For long-term investing, just let it be there and compounding its value. The more we trade, the more mistakes we make. In addition, money management is important. We buy in batch, not shorthand, and never use margin for your long-term portfolio. The margin interest alone will kill you. After you get used of the ETF volatility and want to go little further for higher gain, then look for individual stock. For the individual stock, you may refer to my last video on how I screen for a good fundamental stock, such as Google. Apparently, stock like Google also showing a long-term uptrend pattern. Third, free broker available for you to practice the market with zero risk. We just recovered from a bear market. Then we know that ETF or strong fundamental stocks are the best to start with and risk is very low. How about if you can invest with free? I would say that Weibo is one of the best brokers to start with. As a newly launched broker in Singapore, it has many promotions ongoing. For example, the current promotion is $100 of Google fractional share plus 50% FWD travel insurance plan. After opening an account, successfully deposit $1,965 and execute 6 buy trades. After you have fulfilled the net cumulative period of 30 days, then you will get the $100 Google fractional share. You may scan the QR code here to sign up a Webull account. Take note that the promotion of Webull is changing. Please click on the description link as well to check what is the latest promotion. Sell the fractional share. Then you will be able to get the $100 initial capital for free. As Webull supports fractional share with a minimum of $5 per share, you can then break this $100 to 20 smaller portions and practice portfolio diversification. For example, buy $30 worth of SPY, $20 worth of Google, $20 worth of UNH, and so on. Why small? All the trades are commission free. Once you get the feeling of the market volatility, then you can start to invest more capital and grow your investment portfolio from there. With the above 3 strong reasons, stop procrastinating, start investing. Future you will be thankful to you. How many 7 to 8 years do we have if we miss the coming bull market? That's all for my video. Before you go, please give me a like. Thank you and see you in the next video.